Have you ever wondered how dowsing can help you find water? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of this ancient technique. Dowsing, also known as divining or water witching, has roots that reach back into the depths of history. While its exact origins remain shrouded in mystery, it's known that dowsing has been employed for millennia to locate not just water, but also buried metals, precious gemstones, oil, and even elusive grave sites. This seemingly magical practice is steeped in tradition and folklore, with practitioners often attributing their success to a mysterious sixth sense or a deep connection to nature. Dowsing may seem like a mystical practice, but it's a technique that's been used for centuries, and it's surprisingly simple to learn. Dowsing for water isn't as daunting as it may appear. The first step in the process involves choosing the right tool. The most common dowsing tools are Y or L-shaped rods, often made from copper or brass, but some dowsers prefer wooden sticks or even pendulums. Next, let's discuss how to hold these rods. If you have a Y-shaped rod, you would hold the two ends, leaving the longer end to point outwards. For L-shaped rods, you would hold the shorter end in each hand, allowing the longer end to swing freely. Now, onto the mindset. Dowsing requires a calm, focused state of mind. You must trust in the process, releasing any doubts or expectations. Think of yourself as a conduit, simply observing and interpreting the movements of the rods. So how do the rods react when water is detected? They move. The movements can vary from subtle twitches to full swings. Some dowsers say the rods cross over each other, while others report a pull or tug in a certain direction. Interpreting these movements is the final step. It's largely intuitive and might take some practice. But generally, a strong movement or pull indicates a large source of water, while a weaker or slower movement suggests a smaller source. And there you have it, the intriguing process of dowsing for water. With a little practice, anyone can try their hand at it. So, what have we learned about dowsing? Well, we've discovered that dowsing is a simple yet powerful technique. No fancy equipment, no high-tech devices, just a pair of dowsing rods and your intuition. It's an age-old practice that harks back centuries, used by our ancestors to locate water, and it's still relevant today. We've explored how dowsing isn't just about finding water. It's a versatile tool that can also be used to locate objects or even energy fields. Remember, dowsing is a blend of science and intuition, with a dash of luck thrown in for good measure. Whether you're a water enthusiast, a history buff, or just curious about unique techniques, dowsing offers a fascinating peek into a practice that combines intuition, science, and a bit of luck. So why not give it a try?